Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Paramatra. Today I am going to deliver an important topic of Lorentz transformation equation, which is called time dilation. What is time dilation? The delay of time. If we take two frames, first is stationary and second one is moving frame with the velocity v is similar to c in x direction, and any events occurred in frame s dash and observe the frame s. If you are sitting in frame s dash, the same time has been observed. If you are sitting in s frame, then the time has been delayed. So what is time dilation? Measurement of time interval are also affected by relative motion. A clock moving with uniform velocity v relative to an observer appears to him to go slow by a factor of under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Then when at rest relative to him, this effect is called time dilation. If a clock in S at a position and give out a signal at two instants t1 and t2 measured by an observer in frame S. Now t naught equal to t2 minus t1. This one is equation number first. If time measured by observer O dash in moving frame S dash between the same two events is T1 dash and T2 dash, and then T equal to T2 dash minus T1 dash. This is equation number 2. According to Lorentz transformation, we observe the value of T2 dash and T1 dash. According to Lorentz transformation, the value of T2 dash equal to T2 minus x2v upon c square upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square, and T1 dash equal to T1 minus x1v upon c square upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Now apply the T2 dash and T1 dash in equation number 2. By equation second, T2 dash minus T1 dash equal to T2 minus x2v upon c square minus T1 minus x1v upon c square upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Arrange the similar terms, then T2 minus T1 minus v upon c square x2 minus x1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Now the clock in system S remains fixed at point X. Then x1 equal to x2. If x1 equal to x2, then t2 dash minus t1 dash equal to t2 minus t1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square, and x2 minus x1 is 0. So it implies that t2 dash minus t1 dash is t, and this one is t naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. T equal to t naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. If v is more lesser than c, then under root 1 minus v square upon c square is less than 1. Then t is greater than t naught. Now, if v is more lesser than c, then under root 1 minus v square upon c square is less than 1. Then t is greater than t naught. So, the time interval appears to be lengthened. Lengthened means time का delay होना, due to relative motion by a factor of under root 1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Or we can say, a clock in stationary frame appears to go slow to an observer in moving frame. So this is the expression of time dilation. Now I am going to deliver a real example of time dilation. Now I want to give the experimental verification of time dilation, which is real time effect. What is real time effect? I want to give one concept which is related to real time effect. As we know that the sun has evolved the energy due to heavy and high energy particles collision. After the collision, some gases and rays, which is UV rays, cosmic rays, have been produced. As we know, the above atmosphere of Earth, one layer of ozone has been exist. Without giving the consideration of special theory of relativity, we can explain that their cosmic rays received on ozone layer surface, which is far away from Earth's surface, around 10 km. For this verification, the cosmic rays have two contents. First one is mu meson and second one is pi meson. If we consider concept of classical physics, then calculate the distance velocity into time. The velocity of mu meson is 2.99 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and t is the lifetime where the mu meson rays exist in the space. So this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 second. If I calculate, then the value is approximately 600 meter, just 0.6 kilometer. But the distance of ozone layer around 10 kilometer. Then how possible the cosmic rays which contains of mu meson has received on above the Earth's surface? for giving the answer, we use special theory of relativity. According to special theory of relativity, we use the concept of time dilation. The concept of time dilation, t equal to t naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. T naught is the lifetime of mu meson. So T naught equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon under root 1 minus v. V is 0.99 c upon c whole square. This c is cancelled out and the value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon under root 1 minus 0.99 square. This value considerable and the value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon, if we square of 0.99 and minus 1, then we consider the value 0.063. If we solve it and the value is giving 3.17 into 10 to the power minus 5 second. Okay, so this is t. Now calculate the distance, then distance equal to v into t equal to v is 2.99 into 10 to the power 8 into 3.17 into 10 to the power minus 5. Calculate this value. This is around 9500 meter. So approximately 10 kilometer. So by this reason, the cosmic rays which contains of mu meson is received on above the earth's surface, which distance is around 10 kilometer. So this is the example of real time effect of time dilation. Thank you so much.